Now that we have reviewed the expectations and process for grading assignments, let's go ahead and move on to step 6 of our gradebook setup, adding assignments. I am now going to choose my course that I'd like to add an assignment to. I have chosen my English Language Arts class for my 8th graders, but I could choose any low incidence class that needs an assignment. From this screen, I am now going to choose to add an assignment by clicking on the plus button on the top right and clicking Assignment. I am now going to choose to set up this assignment for the current quarter I am in. As a reminder, you can set up assignments in quarter 1 as soon as the school year starts. This video has been recorded in quarter 2, so these assignments are going to live in quarter 2. But please note that if you're using this video at the beginning of the year, your assignment should be set up in quarter 1. For my classes dropdown, I am going to select this dropdown and I'll see the first class that is listed here that was originally on my dropdown, my English Language Arts class. I am going to select this class and any other classes that would require this same assignment. So for example, in low incidence classes, you know that your English Language Arts and Math grades should come from ULS Checkpoint post-tests. So I am going to make sure to type the assignment name for this assignment, ULS Post-Test 1. Because I give this type of post-test to both ELA and Math, I could also select to have this assignment live not just in ELA, but to also have an assignment for the ULS post-test in my Math class. This will save you time from creating a ULS post-test in English Language Arts and then going to have to go in and make one for Math. It's up to you if you'd like to select them both, but remember, this is not making the same assignment in but one class, but it's making 2 assignments, each with the same name, one for English Language Arts grades, one for Math grades. Once I have selected my classes and given this an assignment name, I'm then going to choose the category. My only category available is test, and that's the only category that it should be used based on district expectations for low incidence classes. My due date defaults to the day I'm typing this, but I want to make sure this due date falls within the quarter in which I am in. Please note again that this video was recorded in Q2. Once I have selected the date, I'm then going to make sure underneath traditional grade options that my score type is % and my points is 100. My system defaulted to % and points 100 because when I set up my test category, that's how I set up the defaults. But if yours does not say % point 100, please change that here. The check for count and traditional final grade should always be checked. And please note that the Students tab can be used if this is only for a certain number of students in your class. But for the most part, all students in your low incidence courses should take all assignments given. Once these settings are set up correctly, you may choose Save and Close to save this assignment. So once you click Save and Close, you will now see that assignment on your assignment list. You have now created one assignment for your low incidence students.